If you want to know how to set up a project dashboard for clients that's simple, clean, and effective, this video is exactly what you've been looking for. I've tested all the major platforms, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to build a dashboard that impresses your clients and keeps them updated in real time. Plus, there's an exclusive free trial for the software we'll be using, available only to viewers of my channel. The link's in the description if you want to follow along. Start by logging into the software. Once inside, create a new workspace or project. This will be the container for all your client-related tasks, timelines, and updates. Next, add a dashboard. Most project tools have a dashboard or reporting option. Select that and choose a blank or pre-built client dashboard template. If you're starting from scratch, don't worry, we're keeping it simple. First thing you want to add is a project summary widget. This gives clients an overview of what's happening without needing to dive into the details. Think timeline status, overall progress, and key milestones. Then, create a section for current tasks. Pull in only the tasks relevant to the client, ideally filtered by status like in progress, completed, and blocked. You want them to see what's moving and what's stuck, without overwhelming them with internal work. Now, add a visual timeline or Gantt chart. This is a game changer for client dashboards because it visually shows where the project is and what's coming next. Keep it high level, no one wants to decode a puzzle. Include a metrics or KPIs widget. This could be budget spent, hours logged, deliverables completed, whatever makes the most sense for your client. You want to show real impact, not just activity. Optionally, embed a document or notes widget. This is perfect for project briefs, key decisions, or even meeting summaries. It keeps everything in one place, and your client doesn't have to chase emails. Last, check your sharing settings. Set permissions so the client can view, but not edit. Send them a clean, branded link. Bonus points if you white label it. That's the basic setup. Now, every time you update the project, your client gets an automatic view of what's going on without you needing to send constant updates, and it makes you look way more professional. The key takeaway? A project dashboard for clients isn't just about transparency, it's about building trust while saving time. Keep it clean, relevant, and visual. To recap, create a workspace, add a dashboard, set up your summary, task list, timeline, KPIs, notes, and then share it with the right permissions. That's it. If you want to set this up in the exact software I used today, grab the exclusive free trial link in the description. It's only available to viewers of Dan Thorne's channel, and it'll give you full access to everything we just walked through. Thanks for watching. Now go set up that dashboard. It'll change the way you work with clients.